This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jackie Kersey. Welcome to your new home. This picture-perfect home is waiting for you to unpack and start making memories. The main level features open floor plan living with a beautiful kitchen, including granite countertops, large island, stainless steel appliances, and the option for either gas or electric range, that overlooks the cozy great room and dining area. Do you work from home? If so, the office is sure to please. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, including a spacious owner's retreat with a huge walk-in closet and bathroom ensuite, complete with stand-up shower and double vanity. The loft is a perfect spot for watching TV, arts and crafts, or it can be closed in to become an additional bedroom. A full bath and laundry room complete the upper level. As if this isn't enough, the screened-in back patio is perfect for your morning coffee or evening glass of wine. Elementary and middle school are located in the neighborhood. Enjoy the resort-style amenities.